What's going on, guys? Today we are going to try and learn to wheelie. So we've got Oscar from, what's the name of your company?
Real Action.
Real Action. I'll put the link in the video description. He has got this converted Suron trader contraption that you take around to events.
Yeah, 72 volt modified Suron.
I can't wheelie for shit. I can ride a bike, but I've never been out of wheelie. So do you think you might be able to get me
Sure
kind of...
Get the front wheel up in the air at the very
We'll get the front wheel up
yeah.
at least. It's got like a strap so you can't like wipe out completely. So fingers crossed we're going to have some fun today. Let's go. You're more blipping, it's more of a kind of...
You'll feel it.
Remember when
you're back at school and you lean back in your chair and you have that your stomach sinks moment when you go too far back.
Let's get a feel. Whoa. It's a fine line between.
That's it.
Yeah, that's a good start. Right. Well, I don't know. Someone else wants to have a... My neighbours must love me. We're a bad influence on each other, Oscar. You're going to want a supermoto and I'm going to want one of these.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy.
He's waiting to have a moan. I'm sure that guy used to do speedway motorbikes. This fucking geezer just tried running like the guy over on the bike. Like, what the fuck? He tried to pull in front of you and literally like knock you off the bike.
Yeah.
Fucking bellend.
Is he complaining then?
Yeah, just a tad. I knew he was when he was just sitting in the road. Like, he was waiting for him to go. He stopped to let him go. Yeah. And then as soon as he went, he pulled out on purpose. That's like, that is way more. The police would come down much harder on that than popping a couple of wheelies.
Yeah.
Like, you're literally trying to knock someone off the bike and potentially kill them. What is going on, guys? I'm giving away this awesome Trek Marlin 6 e-bike conversion which I built recently on the channel. This is a brand new 2025 Trek Marlin 6 Generation 3. We've got the RockShox fault, so I've upgraded the brake rotors to 203mm rotors. This motor's really good quality, it's silent, it's smooth, it's powerful. It's got torque sensing pedal assist, so it's a lot more realistic for pedaling. Plus you've got a thumb throttle. Really nice bit of kit. Right, this is a 10th e-bike I've given away on the channel now. Only £2 an entry, there's no minimum entrance, so it doesn't matter if it goes for flipping 200 quid, 500 quid. There's no backing out for me. This thing is going to go to one of the lucky subscribers. I'll stick a link up in the video now and in the video description. Head on over to raffle.com/do stuff. Get your entries in now, guys. Best of luck to everyone.
Wow.
That's a bit of fun. Did you get any of that on video?
The camera's a bit hot, but I got it.
Yeah, but did you have him pulling in front of him and that?
Yeah.
I'm pretty certain they'd come down harder on him for literally trying to pull in front of a move. You waited and stopped.
Yeah.
Then when you went, he went forwards.
I know.
I was like, what the hell? I know it is a bit noisy and obnoxious.
I saw him pull out and then he was just sitting there.
He went a bit, but you stopped to let him go. And then when I was like, just come, he went forwards. And I'm like, what the fuck, man? What do you think?
Yeah, that's a lot of fun.
A little fun for the...
Like that for longer, I'll be...
Yeah. Yeah, you come around and have another few blips on it. I wouldn't mind getting comfortable getting up a little, but not yet.
Yeah.
I need to get a, what is this? These, I noticed these were like, look, cross point and a
Oh, no, you just need to nip that up, I think. There you go, look at that.
That's
Oh,
what I mean,
brilliant.
the hand tight. Yeah, what's that, 10 or 13 mil and a... These are... good job to check your... one of these was hand tight, well both of them are hand tight. Good job to check over things when you buy it. Oh, I thought it was. Here's 12 mil, got it the wrong way. Yeah, look at that, it's well loose. I was just about to take someone on the back of it. Who would have put these on? They're just like hand tight and the bolts in, not even that hand tight.
Holding it somewhere near the bolt.
Yeah, just vaguely in place.
I thought they were magnetic.
Some poor sod's going to sit on that and then, yeah, it's mad. I think everything else is pretty much tight. 86% of you watching this videos are currently not subscribed. The views are up there in the millions now and I appreciate all of you guys watching, but we're trying to hit 100,000 subs by the end of the year. Out here risking life and limb, upsetting my neighbours, giving you absolute chaos with the e-bike build. So if you're enjoying the content, guys, give us a like, give us a sub if you're not already. Back onto the content. You look cool. Moto chick. Check out a few of me projects I've got going on.
Yeah, I'd love to see you set up.
Apart from the crash repair stuff, junk, we've got, looks like a body's landed on the screen of the full KA. Yeah. This is the one that I wanted to get done last summer, and I'm still not sure where I'm going to get it done this summer.
Yeah.
That's got a ZZR 600 engine.
I thought I recognised that. There's a lot of stunt bikes that are
running a 600
yeah,
Ninja engine in. I mean, they're a good under of brake, so bearing in mind it's got no front brakes whatsoever, it's probably going to be all right. Again, I'm probably going to upset the neighbours with the seeing the size of the exhaust. Yeah. It's not the biggest of exhausts, and obviously you've had a go of the beast. I mean,
that wasn't me riding. That was a
that was the stick.
Rider. Yeah.
Hey, one more and I'll slow-mo it. Nice. All these toys we've been shown up by 9, 10-year-old. Oh, he's there. Hey. Well done, bro. Tiny little go-kart buggy thing. I don't know if you can see it in there, the Honda GX 160. That is a cool steering wheel. Thinking about sticking a QS 138 in that and spraying it a bright colour and maybe turn it into like a drift go-kart.
Yeah.
Trouble. Guys, I'm going to be reviewing this soon. Twin 300mm rotors on the front. Insane is spec is insane on this bike. The biggest battery I've ever seen on a review bike. I think it's 60 volt, 40 amp hours. The whole frame is filled with battery as well as that bit on top. I have to get this thing running again. The welding setup, almost ready for projects finally. I've been out and got myself a few 3 and 6 mil plates. Yeah. I've actually got a project in mind already where I need to cut this sheet in half to make a e-bike. But yeah, it's all set up.
I've got a load of scrap metal left over from my project.
Oh, you got a bit.
Too, so
we could be.
I've got tube, I've got box section, I've got some steel plate left over. From
oh, fantastic! So we'll probably be able to help each other out and do some bits together. Ryan's being majorly attacked by the dog. Excuse the it's a bit of chaos in here. That's the one I built for my son for his 18th birthday recently. Guys, the next one coming up on my channel, just so you know, is the AliExpress trike. And I'm having a nightmare because I tried to put this 72 volt 4000 watt motor in the front and it won't go. So we're going to do some fabricating and do something crazy on the back of this. That should be up and running soon. And then completely insane. Actually, we were chatting about this, weren't we? With the quad cycle.
Yeah.
Once I've done the trike, which will be one of the next projects, that quad cycle, I'm thinking of going a bit crazier on the power, and we could be doing
there's a chance
a bit of scope.
The front wheels could get up in the air with that, with a
with a bit of
wheelie bar on the back. With
that
or a
quad cycle
block if you want to get some sparks going.
For sure, yeah. Quad cycle with a wheelie bar would be probably a first, right?
Well, could be.
Could be definitely a first. That was going to be the one I was going to take to Santa Pod. Get a bit of slack for that on the channel because where is it? It was the I've had this 5000 watt high speed motor.
Right.
Since I've done it, and I filled it with, like, I don't know if you've seen the ferro fluid, like a little magnetic oil, like you put in it. But apparently, if you don't use that, it just seizes the motor up.
Oh, no.
So I've had to have it all stripped down, and don't know if the lipo batteries are dead, and I've nicked the brakes for another project. So yeah, that's that. We're going to do a little bit more on this, and weather's a bit crap, so we might have to pack away soon. But just want to say thanks, man.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
I love how much carnage we've caused. We've upset the whole street. Had loads of drama. It's been fun.
Yeah, it's been a good day.
It's been a good day. I'll whack the links he gives me in the video description, guys. If you want to come check him out and have a go on this yourself, go to regular event or pretty regular events on it. Yeah.
Over the summer. Yeah.
Catch up, give it a go. Let us know how you get on with it. But yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Si la vieran es como ninguno. Hace rato no le funciona el cora. Y aunque le duela a quien le duela, es más demente que cuerpo, ya sufre al carajo, que importa la gente. Todo lo que le pasó ya ha quedado atrás. Vive la vida aunque sola se siente ya. En la calle una santa, la nena es una maníaca. Los ojitos bonitos, labios de miel, cuidado todo aquel que la logre ver. Y aunque solo sienten el contacto, sabes bien que te parten el acto. Que le duela a quien le duela, es más demente que cuerpo, ya sufre al carajo, que importa la gente. Los ojitos bonitos,